Except the game has changed and all the hottest bets are on our new times. At 7 p.m., my gents, Gelders van Geheime rolls in, hip-hop with non-stop drama, beating all the odds. No half 7, House of Zwede is the smart play. Kings, queens, or jokers, this house always wins. Besa City, 8 p.m., the fan favorite Scandal takes over the table with no tricks, just a strong hand. Zisazobuya. 8:30. Isita steps up for the high rollers, calling the shots, asking the question, Ubano Petele game. And at 9 p.m., Machi, just when you think the night is ending, Smoke and Mirrors remain steady, delivering the drama you've been waiting for. The stakes are higher than ever. We are switching times, changing the game.